Love puppy.
Hello kids! Let us learn about domestic animals today. Dog. Dog is man's best friend. Cat. Cat is a perfect friend. Duck. Duck is the fantastic waddler of the water world. Cow. Cow is the gentle giant of the farm. Pig. Pig is the amazing bundle of cuteness. Goat. Goat is the curious climber. Sheep is a fluffy animal. Donkey. Help us with a heart of gold. Hen. Egg layers and backyard guardian. Thank you. We will learn about birds in my next video.
Love puppy.